Sleek ponytail is one of the easy and chic go-to protective hairstyle that most women of color love to do. However, getting your hair all sleek and smooth can be difficult, especially with those with thick and voluminous hair. Hello lovely naturals, welcome to another video. Today's video is about different ways you can spice up your sleek ponytail with hair extension, as well as tips in installing and maintaining them. First of all, wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo to free your hair and scalp from any product buildups and dirt. Deep condition and detangle your hair, cause it's very essential when you want to sleek your hair. The natural hair is prone to tangles, so detangling your hair before installing this hairstyle makes the process fast and easy. Apply a heat protectant spray to protect your hair from heat damage. Since you'll be using a blow dryer then a flat iron to straighten your hair, it's kind of easier to achieve a professional look when you first straighten your hair. Next, you decide on which of these gorgeous ponytail hairstyles you love to try on with a styling product. If you use a gel and you don't want it to be hard and crunchy, just mix a little coconut or olive oil. You are not limited to this oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but make sure the gel won't revert your natural hair to its curly natural state. Brush your hair to achieve the sleekness you desire, then secure your natural hair in a ponytail. Pin the hair extension to your natural hair and finally pull some of the hair extension out to wrap around your hair to hide the elastic band. Make sure you don't tie your hair too tight, cause it can lead to headaches and hair breakages. Secure your hair with a scarf for some few minutes. This will make your hair super sleek, but don't tie the scarf too tight around your edges. It will leave lines and the main focus, which is your hair, won't be properly laid. Maintaining your ponytail hairstyle doesn't need any extra effort. You have to first cover your hair with a scarf, then with a satin bonnet before going to bed. One thing you should know is doing this hairstyle continuously for a long period of time could lead to traction alopecia. I would advise that you minimize the rate at which you wear this hairstyle. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and comment your thoughts on this video. Enjoy the rest of the video.